Okay, so the goal for this exercise is to find the measure of angle ANC. Note that angle ANC is this yellow angle here. So our overall goal is to find the measure of this angle. Well, before that, we have to find the value of x. So for that, we look at the angles that are presented to you. Notice that we are inside of a circle, right? There's a circle surrounding this quadrilateral, this four-sided shape. As it turns out, if an angle is across another angle, the way that these are set up, these angles actually add up to give you 180. So that always happens. If they're across from each other, you can say this plus this equals 180. So we can create this equation. So again, before we solve this equation, note what happened. This angle, it's very tempting to go like this equals this. I see that a lot, but that's not true here. So what we have to do is we have to go this angle plus this angle equals 180. That's always how this works, if the angles are across from each other. Now, let's go back over here and solve. You can combine these two x's to make 2x. And we can combine 103 with 77 to get 180. I can subtract 180 from both sides. I can divide it by 2. As it turns out, x is 0. That rarely happens, but it did here. This is kind of a weird problem, to be honest. But whatever, we can proceed. We know what x is, but remember the goal is to find this yellow angle. So that's the measure of angle ANC, because you go from A to N to C. The middle spot is the angle that you want to find. Well, we know what the measure of angle ANC is. It's x plus 103, which is what this says here all along. But we know what x is. X is 0, so put a 0 in for x right there, and of course all you get back is 103. And that is the final answer.